Imagine this. Every month, money is quietly slipping out of your bank account, not because of big purchases, but because of hidden charges you barely notice, forgotten subscriptions, duplicate fees, even fraudulent transactions. According to recent studies, 42% of people are paying for at least one subscription they've forgotten about, and credit card fraud is climbing every year. So the question is, what's draining your account, and how can you stop it? Here's the truth. Most people never review their statements closely. If the balance seems about right, we just pay it. And even if you do skim through, charges often hide behind vague billing names or small amounts that don't raise red flags. Companies count on you being too busy to notice. That's how hidden charges add up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. Here's how to use your AI tool to find hidden charges. Step 1. Download 3 to 6 months of your credit card and bank statements. Step 2. Upload them into an AI tool like ChatGPT with data analysis, Claude, or Gemini. Step 3. Run a simple prompt like this. Analyze these transactions and identify all recurring charges, duplicate payments, hidden fees, and suspicious activity. Show me the monthly and yearly costs of each. Within seconds, AI gives you a clear list, subscriptions you forgot about, charges that look unusual, and fees that are quietly eating into your balance. From there, you can cancel, downgrade, or dispute charges, and start saving money immediately. The bottom line is this: hidden charges thrive in the shadows, but with AI you bring them into the light and take control of your money again. So here's my challenge to you. Download your statements this week, run the AI prompt, and see what's really hiding in your accounts. You might be shocked at what you find and how much you've been losing without realizing it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend who might be losing money to hidden charges, and subscribe for more tips on using AI to save money, protect your finances, and live smarter. Don't let your money slip away. Take it back with the power of AI.